Welcome into the RSP and Streamer tool, and today I'm going to be showing you how to, set it up in OBS and vMix, and we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to show you, you're going to go ahead and download your row executor here if you're using Krampus or whatever you use, and you're going to come on over to your Roblox, and you're gonna want to go ahead and load into a game. And so sadly, I just recorded this, and I made it live, and I didn't save the VOD. So I made sure I hit start record this time, and we're gonna go ahead and load in and make sure this is working. And so we're gonna come up here, we're gonna hit download, and we're just gonna come over here and open this on up. And so this is going to go ahead and inject scripts into our game to make it where we are able to inject everything that we need for RSP and Streamer tool. So now you're going to come back over to your browser. You're going to go to the RSP and Streamer tool, which is linked in announcements. And you're going to come up here and you're going to find the TXT version for OBS and copy and paste this on in. You're going to copy and paste all the way down here. You're not going to copy the callback function. You do not need that. That is for the Streamer tool. You're going to hit run script, and as you can see, the scoreboard went away. Now, if we go on over here to our OBS, we should be able to see that we have everything that we need. I'm going to go ahead and go on over to scene 4, and y'all can see everything that we have here. I'm going to go ahead and switch on over to my second monitor. As you can see that we have spots for scores and stuff. And so I've already started here with the Cincinnati score and the clock, making sure everything was working earlier. If you come on over here and you hit the text, you can name this score 2, and you can hit OK, and you're gonna select the font. You're gonna hit integral or whatever you want. I use integral mainly because integral looks the best in my opinion. And you're gonna come over here to read from file. That's all you need, and you're just gonna do away score. Perfect. Oh wait. Sorry, home score. That one already has been used. Home score, perfect. And the way I'll show you how to find this in your thing. I completely forgot to show you how to find it, but if you look here and you go to your text thing and you go back and you do select font, select your font, which is gonna be integral CF bold for me. And then you're gonna hit read from file, you're gonna hit browse. And so you're gonna come over here to your downloads and you're gonna search workspace. And look, everything's right here. So we can do the P clock next. And so you're gonna do the P clock and you're gonna go down here and you're gonna size it down to what you need, and then you're gonna put it on in like that. And you're not gonna have to worry about it because it's gonna size on in. Looks perfect. And you're gonna come down here, add text again, okay, and you're gonna do select from font, and you're gonna pick what you need. So there goes my Alexa, but integral, and you're gonna do integral CF bold, okay, read from file, browse, and then the one for the downs is status. So you're gonna find the status one. You're gonna size this down, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in where I need it to be, which is perfect. And there you go. You are completely set up for vMix now. So if I switch this back over to primary monitor, you now have your Roblox Football Fusion stream completely set up and running all off scripts. And so I know it says PAT like that, but you can change it to where it just centers and you don't have to worry about it. So if you come over here and you go down and you search alignment, you can hit center, and then you can hit center. And then there, it should say in the center now, hopefully. Unless it changes the box size. Haven't used OBS in a minute, but as you can see, everything's working. The P clock was going down, the score is going up, and you just overall have a better stream because you have a working score bug. And if you build a nice score bug design, it's just gonna make your stream look a lot better. And so now that I'm done with this, I am done with OBS, and so I can go back to my scene 2 here, and we can switch this back over to primary monitor. Now, I'm going to open up vMix and explain how this works in vMix. I've already set it up, so I'm just going to run you through it on how it works. This bug is very glitched. It's not completed. Haven't really worked on it, but I'll explain it to you. You're going to want to get your bug up and open here, and you're going to want to go back to the RSP and Streamer tool, and you're going to want to find the Scorebug Reader CSV. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to copy all of this again, and you're just going to paste it, insert right into here, and you're just gonna hit run script. And so if you go over to your F9 now, oh wait, actually it doesn't say anything, haha. But it should be updating. Now, if I go back to the vMix, there we are. See, this is glitching, so it means it's working, but everything is here. And so the way you get everything into the files is you come down here to data source and you can hit the plus button, Excel/CSV, and it's going to take you to this, and you're going to browse and you're going to find this LFG-FF file under the workspace. You're going to search workspace, LFG-FF, okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to come down here to the ESPN or whatever you have it titled, and you're going to find all of these. And so once you find your downs or whatever you have, you're going to go to your FF, and it's going to be column 3. So you're going to come up here, you're going to select FF, you're going to go over here, column 3, and then you don't need to select the row. But that's how you update it, and you just repeat it for everything that you need here on the RSP Streamer tool and in vMix. And that's kind of how you set it up here. And so it's so nice to having this because it can help you when you make graphics other than this one. When you make a halftime graphic and you need the score, you have it right there. It's not reading off of the scoreboard on the stream. It's actually saving it to your computer, so you have that file and everything that you need. And it just makes it, like I've said, a lot easier. So I would invest the $25 into Krampus, but Wave is coming out soon. So if you wait for Wave, you can use this free version. And now I'm going to explain to you, I'm going to give you this file right here. It's going to be in the announcements of the RSP and Discord server. So if you go on over to the RSP and Discord server, when I make the announcement for this video, it's going to fall under the announcements channel. And so everything that you're going to need is going to be right here under the announcement that I'm going to make. And so here we are. You're going to hit File, or actually, let me reload this so I can help you. You're going to hit Open Image, and then you're going to go over here, and you're going to open the CSP Bomber file. I made this for a friend, and I decided to give it out for free after I made it. And you can edit it. Just double-click and change everything that you need. And then you can just hit over here, File, Export, or Save. Save, I recommend. PNG, boom. And once you save it, you can come down here to your OBS. I will switch this back. You can come over to your OBS, and you can come down here to, let me switch it back to OBS. And you can come back down here and look at the image file, okay? And then you can hit Browse, and then you can select your scoreboard, and then everything works perfectly fine. And so that's how you're going to use the RSP and Streamer tool for OBS and vMix. If you have any questions, please contact Eco, that's me, and I can help you with anything. Join the Discord server at discord.gg/rspnmain and follow our Twitch at twitch.tv/rspnmain. So thank you so much for watching, and good night.